Actually, to be frank, today's weather is completely mind-blowing and completely fresh environment. Now I am in the open field. Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome back to my another brand new video. Right now I'm walking towards the field. As you can see, the fields are wetted by foggies and the sun is gradually rising and gives the bright. Now I am walking and enjoy the moment. Actually, to be frank, today's weather is completely mind-blowing and completely fresh environment. Now I am in the open field. I am in the middle side of all lands, and I think this is high time to practice English. That's why I am trying to make my video every single day, especially in the morning time. Actually, morning time is high time, I usually say, because of in the morning time there are nobody available in the field or any other place like any other time. So I think it is a very high time to you practicing. And those who are have shyness, they feel nervousness, I think this is the really high way for them to practicing their self and express themselves loudly, because if you say loudly in this place there are nobody listening to me, so I can say everything, anything with me. So dear viewers, don't waste your time, okay? It is completely high time for you to practice. If you delay your practice, you will be loser, you will be a failure in your life. There is nobody give you the successful things in your life. Usually my brothers and sisters ask me, actually bro, how can I practice my English? Actually, as you can see, now I am practicing my English. You also practice your English like this way. As you can see, I like this kind of natural setting, because when I get frustrated, when I get boring in this time, I come into the nature, then I can get peace in my mind from nature. That's why I think nature is really necessary for me, essential for me to practicing my English, to enhance my thinking power, okay? So it is really interesting for me. And once upon a time, it was a really big challenge for me. I couldn't express my emotion. Nowadays I can speak in English. This is really one kind of cup of tea for me. So dear viewers, don't be delayed, try and start your journey.